Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to find friends on X by phone number. So let's open X on our device, and you have to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen to access this side menu. Now here you want to scroll down until you reach settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You want to go to section privacy and safety over here, and from here find discoverability and contacts. Now find tab with contacts, and here you should see this feature that is called sync address book contacts. So you want to turn this feature on, and then you will need to give X platform permission to access your phone's contacts. From there you can select if you want to share all of your contacts from your phone, or you can set selected people. Okay, so when your contacts are synced, X will compare the phone numbers in your address book with the information on the platform to suggest accounts for you to follow. And these suggestions will appear in the section Who to Follow. To find it, you want to go to this magnifying glass icon at the bottom side of the screen. This is your Explore tab. And now you want to scroll down until you see Who to Follow section. Let's tap Show More to expand the list. And you may need to scroll down through this list and finally find people from your contacts, find your friends. And if you want to follow them, you just have to tap this black follow button and you will follow them. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.